Hello everyone, this is Mr. B from Simple Trade, and today we'll try to break down a ticker by the name of HPIL. If you look at the chart, you can see that there were a few volume spikes during a month period from late May to late June. We'll try to figure out what happened here and what caused this volume increasement. So let's start with May 25th, May 26th, and let's see what happened here. On May 25th, Cybernetic Technologies announces it has filed to reduce the authorized shares. Authorized shares reduction is great news for traders, and the company announced that it has filed the necessary documents to reduce the authorized shares from 200 billion to 60 billion. This is great. So on that news alone, you could have made something like 113% in a 2-day period, which is quite nice. Now let's see what happened on June 22nd and what caused almost 2 billion shares to be traded on that specific day. So on June 22nd, the company announces that it has decided to develop its own electric car named Apogee D7. And the plan for the new Apogee D7 is a 4-seater vehicle that will not only use the new Apogee powertrain, it will have up to 10 partners, all utilizing their disruptive business models from technology, green materials, and media that will challenge the future of the auto industry as it's known today. These are great news, and this is basically what caused the spike in the volume in that specific day. And last but not least, June 25th, and this huge volume, over 2.5 billion shares traded, and this huge spike in price from 0.59 to 0.89. Let's see what happened here. I didn't mention it before, but the company's Twitter account was very active during all this time from early May. And on June 25th, the company tweeted that they got feedback from the OTC market about their OTCIQ application submission, and they believe that they will meet the September 28th compliance date for their amended SEC rule. So let's make a quick recap. If you bought some shares on the day that the company announced on the share reduction, so you could have made 113%. Or if you bought some shares right here on June 24th, 25th, when the company announced about the new vehicle and the OTC market submission, you could have made also 125%. And if you bought the shares from day one and held till the end, you could have made 500% in a matter of 1 month, more or less. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment below, and join us at our Simple Trade Discord community. I was Mr. B. See you next time.